Okay, welcome to another episode of Necessities for Life. We're going to do another quick product review here. Once again, the tool that I'm going to show you I've had now for probably about 3.5 to 4 years. It's heavily been used, so I think it's well worth doing a good review on this one because it's been tried, tested, and I haven't managed to break it yet, so it's doing really well. The product I'm going to show you is this here. This is the Einhell concrete breaker. When you get the kit, it comes with two comes with two breakers. You get a flat piece there, but as you can see, over time it has been worn, but it has done a lot of work. I've already sharpened it a couple of times. And it also comes with another one here. I've cut the end of it off because it comes with basically like a pointed chisel. I never actually used that one, but I had another post hole driver which I had modified, and I cut that, so I turn that over and it fits into a little device that I made, so it hammers it down. But enough about that one. Comes as a point, that one comes as a flat chisel. This is the one that I use the most of. So that's what you get in the box. You get in your two chisels, you get your Allen key there, which again is for maintenance, but I've never had to use it yet. And this is the main tool here. This is the Einhell concrete breaker. It is, to be fair, a little bit of a weighty unit, but it's still not too bad. So I can lift it quite nicely. So it's not too bad. It's a nice tool to use. It's not horrendously heavy. If you have a look, I am going to put the link again onto the Amazon so you can see there, and it will tell you what the weight of it is by hand. So again, it just basically just locks in. If I can pull that back out again. Right. So basically, your chisel goes in there like that. It locks, and it basically just has, and that's it. It fires. So I'm going to take you over. I'll show you the hole, and I'll show you it in working in practice. This is a lifesaver if you're digging holes and you're trying to work through concrete. Works brilliantly. So here you go. So as you can see there, it breaks the concrete. Now, a little tip for it, if you're going to get this one, basically this isn't just good to use with fence posts. If you've got a large concrete slab or any concrete that you want to dig up, this is absolutely brilliant for it. It is a bit heavy, but the weight is on the thing, but I find it quite easy to use, to be fair, and I've been using it for a long time. As you can see, it's been really worn. It's got scrapes, it's got the dirt on there, it's rather filthy. It's been used a lot. It's been through the mill a bit, this one has, but as you can see, I think it's well worth doing a review on it because it is such a good tool to have. Again, I will post a link on Amazon. Now, if you do decide you're going to get one of these, the one thing you're probably going to want to do is to fire the chisel on full trigger. Now, to make it more effortless when you're actually using one of these, the best thing to do is to just flick the trigger, because that's where, on the lower revs on this, that's where it makes the most impact. I'll just show you now what I do when I'm using it. So, I like to just feather the throttle a bit, the trigger. And it makes it easier to work with. So if I do it on full rev, that's full rev, and this is feathering it. There you go, just working down nicely. So this is the Einhell concrete breaker. Brilliant tool. Highly recommend this one as a concrete breaker. Please click on the link below, or up, depending on where the light condition is, but I will put a link on it for the Amazon, so you can go ahead and you can purchase one straight from there. That's another review from Necessities of Life. Thank you very much.